Hello my healthy people, welcome back to Maxine's Corner. Today we are making some delicious chickpeas tortilla, actually chickpeas flour tortillas, okay? So let's get started. It's simple and easy. I absolutely love this recipe. It's pretty much just 3 ingredients, okay? So we have 1 cup of chickpea flour, salt, just a pinch, 1 chia egg. Now you're going to add a little bit of oil, spoons of oil that we will be adding. 1, 2. Guys, this is the oil I use, okay? You can use any oil that you have. And we're just gonna work everything in. You can get in there with your hands and work it in. So this is completely optional. I was like, you know what, to even fluff it up more, I am going to add 1 tablespoon of yogurt. I'm just gonna top it off with just a little bit more chickpeas flour. Not a big deal, right? Not a big deal at all. You just have to know, right? So I'm gonna say 1 cup and about 2 tablespoons of chickpeas flour, and you're pretty good. Only if you add the yogurt, okay? Don't forget the yogurt is optional, so you don't need it. It's not a must. Don't come for me. Parchment paper here, cover it up. The only other one I found was my Christmas one, so I figure I can use this. It won't print out if I just put this on top of it, right? And this is what the first one looks like. Just gonna add it to this. It looks okay, alarm, I get you. It looks really good, doesn't it? I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna make a wrap with this. Alright, so we're making a tortilla wrap, gluten-free. If you want, you can use Greek yogurt, but I like this dressing. I'm using a pinch of paprika and smoked paprika, garlic powder. I'm gonna add about half of a tablespoon of water just to thin it out just a bit. And then I'm just gonna mix this all around. This is gonna be a nice sauce, guys. I cannot have spicy, but if you want, I have bad heartburn. You can add some sriracha. That's pretty much up to you. You could also add some cilantro in here. Actually, maybe I will. Let's add some Italian spices to this. I'm gonna add some parsley, some dried parsley to that. So now I'm just gonna mix it around. And that's our sauce. Pretty much. Simple and easy, okay? These are our tortillas. Don't they look so good, Ava?
I want to try one.
You want to try one? You will. Simple and easy. I'm just gonna slice up some avocado.
Spread it around.
I have some lettuce, some cabbage, some stuff that I already cut up and had in the refrigerator. You can make it your own. Do whatever you want. Just gonna add this on top. So good. I cannot wait to bite into it. I'm about to bite into it right now. I know you want some. It's okay. I'll see you guys next time on Maxine's Corner. Make this recipe. It's simple and easy and it's gluten-free. I'll see you guys next time, and say it with me. Stay healthy.